Why do 90% of master bakers choose specific wheat varieties? It's all about the protein. Welcome to Baking Theory, where we unravel the science behind delicious bakes. Today, we're exploring the protein powerhouses of North American wheat. First up, soft winter wheat, both red and white. These varieties pack a protein content of 8 to 11%. Ideal for your tender pastries and flaky biscuits, soft winter wheat gives that light, airy texture you love. Next, we level up with hard winter wheat, red and white again, boasting a protein range from 10 to 15%. This is your go-to for chewier breads and rolls. That extra protein gives your dough the strength it needs for a perfect rise. But if you're aiming for the stars in protein content, hard red spring wheat is your champion. With a whopping 12 to 18% protein, it's the backbone of strong bread flours. Although perfect for yeasty breads, its gluten might be a bit much for those hand-shaped artisan loaves. Why? Because it's super strong and a tad tricky to stretch. And let's not forget the robust durum wheat, clocking in at 14 to 16% protein. Famous for making pastas, durum's density and richness make it a staple in many kitchens. Each wheat variety brings its unique traits to the table, empowering you to bake with precision and passion. Whether it's a soft cake or a crusty bread, there's a wheat for every treat. So next time you bake, think about the power behind your flour. Explore more about the art of baking on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time!